Good morning, children. Welcome to e-learning class. Children, our second chapter is going on, that is addition, and today we will start our exercise 2C. So, exercise 2C is we have to estimate the sum in this exercise. जैसे हमने क्लास चैप्टर 1 में किया था एस्टिमेशन नियरेस्ट टू द 10 और 100 और 1000, वैसे ही सेम एज हमें यहाँ पे भी करना है. सो वी हैव टू add this estimation also. So first question is find the estimated sum of the following numbers. First question is round off to the nearest 10. So पहला क्वेश्चन है 172 प्लस 80. तो 172 को 80 से ऐड करना है एंड वी हैव टू take out the estimated sum of this number also. So first we will add 172 and 80. What will come? 2 plus 0 0, 2, 7 plus 8 15, 1 plus 1 2. So this is the actual sum. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन है, so this is the actual sum. Now this side 172 we will estimate nearest to the 10. How we will estimate? We will see we have to do this estimation nearest to 10. So we will see that ones place of this number, this is 2 and tens place is 7. So 2 is our weak number, so it will not change the value of 7. 7 will stay 7 only. So 172 will estimated to 170. Now 80 is 80 only, so we will not estimate, it is the estimation only. So 80, 170 plus 80, what will come? 0 0, 7 plus 8 15, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2. So 250, it is the estimated sum. Clear children? जो हमने क्वेश्चन को ऐड किया वो एक्चुअल सम था, जो हमने एस्टिमेट करके ऐड किया दैट इज एस्टिमेटेड सम. नाउ वी विल सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 48 प्लस 1270. सो फर्स्ट वी विल ऐड 48 प्लस 1270. सो 8 प्लस 0 इज 8, 4 प्लस 7 इज 11, 11 1 carry we will give here, 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 will come 1. So this one 1318 is actual sum, and when we will estimate it, the 48 will become 50. How? Because 8 is the strong number, so it will change the value of 4. 4 will change to 5. Now 1270 is same, it will remain same only. So 0 0, 5 plus 7 is 12, 12 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3 and 1. 1320 is the estimated sum. हमारा आंसर आने के बाद जैसे यहाँ पे एक्चुअल सम है 1318 एंड द एस्टिमेटेड सम इज़ 1320. अब हम अगर एस्टिमेटेड सम को ना देखें और हमें इसे एस्टिमेट करना है, देन अब हम ऐसे देखते हैं 1318 इज़ द आंसर. वी हैव टू एस्टिमेट इट नियरेस्ट टू द 10. तो व्हाट वी विल सी द वंस प्लेस, इट इज़ 8 एंड इट इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग नंबर, सो इट विल चेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ 1 to 2. सो चिल्ड्रन, अगर आप ऐसे करेंगे और आप दोबारा से इस तरह से रीचेक कर सकते हैं अपना आंसर कि आपने जो कैलकुलेट किया है दैट इज़ करेक्ट और नॉट. ओके, नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सी 2134 plus 5100. So 2134 plus 5100, what will come? 404, 303, 112 and 257. This is actual sum. When we will estimate it, 2134 will go to 2130 because 4 is the weak number, it will not change the value of 3, it will remain only 3. So 5100 is already estimated, so we will not estimate it. 0 0 0, 3 plus 0 is 3, 1 1 2, 2 5 7. So answer is 7230. 7230 is the estimated sum. Clear? Now second part of this question, number 1, is round off. Second part is round off to the nearest 100. So first question is 540 plus 368. So we will add it, 540 and 368. 8, 0 plus 8 is 8, 4 plus 6 is 10, 0 we will write here, 1 we will give carry, 5 plus 3 8 and 1 carry 9. So 908 is the actual sum. This side 540 will be rounded off to the nearest 100. What will come? We will see the tens place now, because this is 100. So we will see tens place. This is 4 and 4 is a weak number, so it will not change the value of 5. 5 will remain 5 only and it will become 500. 368, we will again see tens place. 6 is the strong number, so it will change the value of 3, it will become 4, and 6 and 8 will become 0 0. So 500 plus 400 is equal to 900. This is our estimated sum. Now our next question is B, 1756 plus 2783. So 1756, 2783. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 5 plus 8 is 13, 13, 3 we will write here, 1 we will give carry, 7 7 14, 14 plus 1 15, 5 we will write here, 1 we will give carry. So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 1 carry is 4. So answer is 4539 is the actual sum. So children, now we will estimate it 1756. So we will see the place of tens. It is strong number, 5 is a strong number, so it will change the value of 7. 7 will become 8, it will become 1800, and 5 6 will be 0 0. Again tens is 8, 8 is a strong number, it will change the place of value of 7, it will become 2800, and 8 3 will become 0 0. Now 1800 plus 2800 we will add it, 0 0 0 0 0 0, 8 8 16, 16 ka 1 we will give here, 1 plus 2 3 and 4. So 4600 is the estimated sum. Clear? Question number C, 78158055. So 78158055, when we will add 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 1 7, 8 0 8, and 7 and 8 will be 15. So 15,870 is the actual sum. Now we will change 7815, estimate it we will. So we will see the place of tens, it is 1 only, so it is a weak number, it will not change the value of 8, it will remain 8 only here, and 1 and 5 will become 0 0. So 7800 will be the estimation. So 8055, it is 5, 5 is a strong number, 5 will change the value of 0, 0 will become 1 here, and 5 5 will become 0 0. So 8100. Now 7800 and 8100 we will add it, 0 0 0 0 0, 8 plus 1 9, and 7 and 8 is 15. So it is the estimated sum. Question number 3, part 3 of question number 1, round off to the nearest 1000. Now children, 5187 and 11543. 7 plus 3 is 0, 8 plus 4 is 13, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 ka 0 we will write here, 1 we will give carry, 8 plus 4 is 12 and 1 carry is 13. Again 1 carry we will give, 1 plus 5 6 and 1 carry is 7. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 1 1. So 16,730 is the actual sum. Now we will estimate it. So we will see, we are doing estimation nearest to the 1000. So we will see the place of 100. 100 place is 1. Now 1 is a weak number, it will not change the value of 5. 5 will remain 5 only. So 5187 will become 5000, and 11543 is 5 is a strong number, it will change the value of 1, it will become 2. So 12,000. Now 0 0 0, 5 plus 2 7, and 1, it is the estimated sum. Clear? Question number B. 7084 plus 5 999. So 7084, 5999. We will add it. 4 plus 9 is 13. 1 carry. Now 8 and 9 17. 17 plus 1 8. 18. 8 we will write here. 1 we will give carry. 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 we will give carry again. 7 plus 5 is 12, and 1 carry 13. So 13,083 is the actual sum. Now we will estimate it. We will see the place of 100, it is 0. So no value. 7 will remain 7, and it will become 7,000. 5,999. 9 is the strong number, it will change the value of 5, it will become 6, and 6,000 will be the number. So 0 0 0, 7 plus 6 is 13. So 13,000 is the estimated sum. Clear? Now last question. C. 2345 plus 3897. So 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 carry we will give. 4 plus 9 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 1 carry again. 4 we will write here. 3 plus 8 is 11. 11 plus 1 carry is 12. 1 carry. 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6242 is the actual sum. Now when we will estimate it, so 2345, 3 is a weak number, it will not change the value of 2. 2000 will remain here. 3 8 9 7, 8 is the strong number, it will change the value of 3, it will become 4. So 4000 is the number. So 0 0 0, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6000 is the estimated sum. Clear? Now what is your homework, children? Your homework is to do question number 1 and question number 2 of revision exercise. So you have to do question number 1 and question number 2 of revision test, which I will give it also in the group. So children, if you will have any query, you can ask me. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.